Ang Pakistan ay isa sa mga bansang hindi madalas binibisita ng maraming travelers. Wala pa silang international mass tourism gaya ng Pilipinas o Thailand na nagdadala ng milyon-milyong turista. Noong 2025, ang Pilipinas ay mayroong higit 6.5 million na visitors. At 5.9 million dito ay international tourists habang nasa 600,000 naman ang mga balikbayan o OFWs. Ang Pakistan naman ay may 1 to 2 million international visitors pero nasa 10 to 20,000 lang ang international visitors nila. Karamihan sa 1 to 2 million na visitors nila ay diaspora lamang o mga balikbayan nila o di kaya mga Sikh or Buddhist pilgrims. Sobrang liit. Hindi umaabot ng 100,000 international travelers ang bumibisita dito sa bansa nila. Commercial lang dahil magta-travel uli kami ni Kate Toretto sa Pakistan this October and November. Kaya kung gusto mong ma-explore ang Pakistan, message us. Tara, mag-travel na tayo! Good morning guys. Simulan na ang ating biyahe guys. It's a long day at medyo hagardo agad ako, aga-aga pa. So pupunta na tayo ngayon ng kaibigan muna. Pupunta muna ako sa ate ng kaibigan ko. Iiwanan ko din yung aking maleta bago tayo pumunta ng Aptabad. And hindi ko alam ano mangyayari. Sabi niya he's gonna surprise us. Hindi ko alam ano yung surprise niya guys. Hindi ako mahilig sa bagay ito surprise, natatakot ako. Pero it will be fun. Are you okay, brother?
It's cool inside the car.
Just okay. No, not yet. Hindi nyo alam guys no, pero ang ganda ng kalsada nila dito. Like malinis, maayos. Hindi siya yung usual na-envision nyo pag sinabi na Pakistan, no? Tuwa lang ako, na-appreciate ko lang siya na parang ganda ng kalsada. Ang smooth ang biyahe namin, in fairness. Oh, by the way, pupuntahan natin doon sa Aptabad. Siya yung dating inistayan namin dati ni Mr. Wright, na friend ko. Parang ever since naman, naging consistent naman yung friendship namin kahit malayo kami sa isa't isa. Okay naman yung parang and na-exit lang talaga ako. So kung hindi nyo siya naalala, ilalagay ko yung video namin together. Tsaka sobrang bait nun, pinakilala nyo ako sa parang jowa, pinakilala sa magulang. Pero yung basta, bait nung pambait niya, tsaka bait ng family niya. So ngayon guys, naiwan ko na yung gamit ko dun sa kapatid ng kaibigan ko. Pagdadalan pa ako sa kanya siguro. Hindi ako nag-vlog kasi nahiya ako dahil babae. Diba? Alam niya naman dito, hindi natin alam. Pero mabait naman siya. Nag-picture kami. May picture kami. Ayan. Tapos sabi niya next time, kung gusto ko daw pumarty, dadalhin niya raw yung jowa niya. Sabi ko, okay, sige. Alay. Char. So anyway, dapat napot ng Aptabad, magbabas ako. Pero sabi ko kasi parang wala akong energy. Yung parang gusto ko diretso na lang. So, papunta doon guys, in-drive na lang ako, dire-diretso na to. Tapos, sa pera natin, ang pamasahe ko is 2,000. So, okay na eh. Medyo mahal pala yung na-realize ko. Pero, dead na. 2 kalahating oras to be. Gano'ng tagal, gano'ng kalayo ba ito? Hindi ko rin alam. Ito yung ating tropa mo guys. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo dito yung kanilang kabundukan. Guys, dati napunta ako dito sa Pakistan. iba yung treatment ng video ko. Parang sabi ko nga, iba pa si Francis doon sa Francis Live. So, hindi ko alam kung on this video, let me know, ano yung pagkakaiba neto sa mga dating video ko dito sa Pakistan. Ano yung pakiramdam? Parang, malayo naman pinagkaiba guys. Parang, nag-develop ba ako? Gumaling ba ako? Gumanda ba yung mga videos? Tsaka, it comes with age, with maturity. Dati syempre, maharot pa tayo. Ngayon, parang hindi. Parang, ano meron ka, meron din ako. Tama, joke-joke lang. Tsaka, minsan guys, joke-joke lang naman. Kailangan, huwag yung masyado seryoso kayo. Medyo kinakabahan talaga ako dito sa pagmamaneho nila guys. Pakiramdam ko magbabanggap-bangga na kami dito. Tingnan niyo paano tayo magmaneho. Ayan. Ay, malapit. Pero nakakatuwa yung mga ano nila, no? Yung Suzuki nila. Ito ba, kung napansin ninyo, dito sa Pakistan, pag-usapan natin to, no? Kasi, hindi ko to nabanggit sa mga dating videos ko, pero I'm just fascinated sa kanilang mga tracks dito. Ang ganda ng mga tracks nila dito. Puno-puno ng art, puno-puno ng customized. Parang symbol of culture, tradition nila. And, tingnan nyo na lang, oh. Diba? Ang ganda ng kanilang track. Pero kung mapapansin ninyo dito, friends, dito sa Pakistan, sobrang daming truck din pag bumabiyahe tayo. Kasi isa sa major industry nila yan. Like, one of the backbone ng kanilang ekonomiya is yung trucking industry. Like logistics. So, dahil yung parang from the port of Karachi, they transport, taksila na pala ito. Tinatransport nila yung goods nila like from Karachi, from the seaport, dahil meron silang weak na like railway system. Ang paraan nila, like 90% of the goods nila is transported ng trucks. Kung mapapansin ninyo, yung mga truck nila dito, dinedecor nila, like pinagkasukan talaga yan ha. Kino-customize talaga nila yan, sinasadya nila yan ganyan, paganda yan. Nasa symbol din talaga ng culture nila. So yung goods nila, like yung agriculture goods, mga textile, construction, ganyan, na tinatransport yan from Pakistan to Wagah. So may Wagah port papuntang India, papuntang Iran, papuntang China, Afghanistan. Though in some parts of the country may mga kalsadang hindi ganoon kaganda, na yun yung nagiging challenge, di ba? Like delikado dahil paano ang kalsada natin, nakakatakot minsan pag so dito tayo ngayon guys sa basta isang stop. So kakain muna tayo ngayon guys, yung break time muna kami. Umorder na kami ng kima, yung beef, tapos parangat at saka chai. Mga 40 minutes na lang makakarating na kami doon, pero break muna, pagod din, be. Medyo may something sa loob, pero laban lang guys. Bismillah.
दो चाय मिला था दो चाय
Guys, kain tayo.
एक मिनट क्यों पे ना दिसिंग This is not fine. Not fine. This is not basic. Not oil. This is basic original.
I like keema. Syukriya. So, ayan guys, I'll speak in English. So now guys, I'm now here with my friends. This is Muhammad Jadun and Khalid. Hi guys. Actually, I don't know where we're going, but
we are going to take.
it's so nice to see him back and meet him now. Yeah, so the last time I saw him was in 2020, and now we're back. Actually, I'm like in good contact with him, and I was trying to apply for visa like every year, but then it was hard. But luckily, I'm here now. So yeah, welcome back. So ayan guys, nag-stop kami dito for drinks. Actually guys, ito kasama ko, hindi ko alam kambal pala sila, na nagulat ako kanina. Sabi ko, nag-base ka ba? Sabi niya, kambal pala sila. Marami na akong napuntahang mga bansa, pero ang Pakistan ang isa sa mga bansa na tunay kong nagustuhan. Maganda ang kanilang tanawin, masarap ang pagkain, at napakainit ng pagtanggap nila sa akin. Walang lahi, kasarian o katayuan ang tingin nila sa akin. Tunay na kaibigan, maaasahan, kahit kailanman.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed.
So ayan guys, nandito tayo ngayon malapit sa may, sabi nila it's Mansehra region na daw. Ang ganda oh. So these are my friends here guys. Let me introduce them to you one by one. So of course, this is Muhammad Jadun.
How are you? Hi guys.
This is Khalid
Hi everyone.
from Peshawar. This is the twins,
Hey, everyone.
Hamza
Hi.
and Umar.
Yes.
Remember?
Right.
Yeah. How are you guys? Nice meeting you.
Nice. It was nice meeting you.
Yeah. So what do you call this place?
This is Siran Valley.
Staying well.
It's called
Siran Valley.
Siran Valley.
Siran Valley.
Yeah. And we are about to go to Jaburi.
Jaburi, yes.
Yeah.
Ooh.
We'll stop there. And we can capture good scenes there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
yes.
we'll be doing barbecue.
Yeah. I'm excited for the barbecue.
We have plenty of good time there. We are gonna enjoy a lot. Now, and interestingly, we will swim there.
I don't swim.
No,
I don't swim. Just like that. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
offshore.
Okay, okay.
We will not let you go deep into
Okay,
the water.
okay.
We'll stand in the
Yeah.
shallow water. You can have a. We will catch.
Okay. You have to, yeah.
Hi.
You will tie me. I will look like the buffalo.
We are gonna do fishing also. There are
Okay.
plenty of there. Yes, but the water. Grill them. Yeah, but the water is too chill.
It's fine.
Yeah. You may get cold. No,
We will try.
it's really good for your skin.
You have one pharmacist with you.
Yeah, I have. Oh, by the way, guys, they are all pharmacists.
Yeah.
They have the patient. The
And
patient.
it's not good for your health.
So, andito na tayo guys sa ating destination and meron tayong hiking.
मैं उठ तो आशा ताकि तुम मुर्गी ना खाओ मैं
मैं 69 हो गया.
What?
69?
His favorite position is talking about.
What position do you like?
Yeah, he's talking about position.
Oh yeah, so what position do you like?
I haven't tried any.
So ngayon guys, magpipiknik kami dito sa may river. Ang layo talaga ng kusina natin, ano. So sabi nila maliligo daw sila. Ako, team tabi lang ako. Ang bitbit ko dito is yung oil lang at water ko.
I think.
Okay. Okay. I'll guide you here.
You can take us.
Okay. Ooh. It's fine. The way.
I am not being sure.
Now you are.
We are carrying the barbecue
What are we doing? What are you doing? Tell us.
barbecue tray, and we are heading to the small stream. You know, here it is.
Yeah.
You'll see in a while. So
Yeah.
we'll be there in a minute, and then we'll.
So
We
by the
also have a coal with us, so we'll burn it and make some barbecue.
Yes, we have chicken, guys.
Yes. We also brought chapatis with us.
Okay. Oh wow, we have chapatis also.
And we'll try to cross this. I think it's good enough. No.
It's here. Okay, are we gonna cross? Oh, we're here.
Actually, the water level decreased. You can note that the water level was up to here, like to the. Can you see the corners?
Just lazy.
You can hold his hand.
Okay, we'll leave the shoes here?
No, we'll take them.
Okay. So iiwan na namin guys dito yung mga sapatos namin.
We don't have to run.
You can leave it here.
Yeah.
Keep it.
For emergency purpose only. Yeah. Oh, this is deeper. Madulas guys, pero nailaban naman natin. Okay. Woo. You okay?
Yeah, feels good.
Medyo malamig yung tubig guys, pero okay naman. Oh wow, this is nice. So ayan guys, we are now here at the river. So yung isa nandoon, and dito naman kami, naglalaro kami ng apoy para makapagluto na kami ng aming hapunan. Buti na lang guys, kanina kumain ako kasi anong oras na alas 5, hindi pa kami kumakain. Karating namin alas 5, hindi ko alam kung dito ba kami matutulog or hindi ko alam anong plano namin today talaga. So, bahala na si Batman. Oh guys, huwag nyo sabihin probinsya nyo lang to. Baka naman sabihin nyo guys, nandyan lang ako ngayon sa Rizal. Diba? Sabi nyo, kuya hindi naman yan Pakistan eh. Pakistan yan guys, ito yung mga Pakistani sa likod ko. Ang ganda diba? It's so beautiful.
And just now I'm moving to
Marami ang natatakot sa bansang ito dahil sa gulo, question sa kaligtasan, at iba pang mga balitang naririnig nila sa media. Pero alam mo ba kung ano yung pinaka-scam sa lahat? Hindi ito yung scam na nanakawan ka ng pera. O hindi rin ito yung scam na lulukuhin ka ng mga tao. Ang totoong scam sa Pakistan, dadating ka dito na may takot, may prejudice, o may mga tanong. Pero pag alis mo, parang may kulang. Kasi sa bansang ito, may mga taong hindi ka papayagang magbayad ng pagkain mo. May mga tao na iimbitahan ka sa bahay nila kahit kakikilala nyo pa lang. At may mga tao rin dito na ituturi ka talagang parang pamilya, hindi isang turista. Ito ang tunay na scam. Sa bawat ngiti, sa bawat welcome to Pakistan, sa bawat kamay na umaabot ng tulong, dahan-dahan, hindi mo mamamalayan, nahuhulog ka na. Hindi sa bitag, kundi sa pagmamahal ng mga tao. Sa pag-alis mo sa bansang ito, papatanong ka, bakit hindi ito yung mga kwentong naririnig natin, di ba? Kasi ang totoo, yung kanilang kabutihan, sincerity, at genuine na kabutihan, tatatak sa puso ni man. At nasan ka man, kung meron kang maging kaibigan na Pakistani, alam mo kung ano ang Pakistan scam. Tunay na pagkakaibigan na hindi matatawaran. At kahit marami pang taon ang lumipas, hindi mawawala at hindi makakalimutan.
Thank you. Thank you for driving. Thank you for setting everything. Whose birthday?
No birthday. Because today is like I could take off and tomorrow is off. But after that I have to come here. No, पर कम यहाँ पे बहुत कम करता है.
In our barbecue in Philippines, on the oil, no, we are putting also like the seasonings there.
ना seasoning मसाले.
The oil is flavored as well.
ऑयल लग गए ये सफेद ना हो जाएगा सफेद हो जाएगा मतलब ये इनको ऑयल चाहिए
और ऑयल लासा ना.
ना हमजा ये देखो ये सफेद सफेद जब होता है मतलब इसका अपना ऑयल निकल रहा है तो उसको ऑयल दे दे सही हाँ ये देखो ये सफेद सफेद ना
Dry
होना
ना
चाहिए हाँ ये पर उस ड्राई होने के
Welcome to MasterChef Pakistan. In today's episode, our chefs will be cooking the same thing.
ड्राई इस पे लगा
अभी तक होगा और चार खड़ी है.
समय तो मैं तो कुछ नहाया शहाया नहीं
मैं तो कोयले लगा रहा था ना. तो वाला ही था बस में. क्या कुछ नहीं होगा.
आ जाओ जाते जाते
अली
अली जाते हो
हाँ अली है
हम सब बेहोश हो जाओ ना
हाँ जलना चाहिए.
ना सिर्फ सफेद ना होने दो और ये खुद बखुद मतलब
It's finished! It's finished!
yeah I know you were 12 minutes
It's finished! It's finished!
we are done
Welcome to the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Yeah. Did you hunt the chicken? Just kidding. Huh? He said, join!
Yeah, about 10-12 years ago, I drowned at one place. So I don't know that's why, but I am
Scared, like traumatized.
Yeah.
For me, I drowned 3 times. The worst was something like this on a river also. So me and my friends hiked on a mountain,
Yeah.
but we are dressed like going to the party. Not we're not dressed for
appropriate.
yeah, not appropriate. Just we have this of attitude like, oh, let's try to be different. Let's go there and dress in a like different way. And it was there was a super typhoon So a strong
Okay.
Typhoon and
Like
thunderstorm.
tornado type.
Huh?
Tornado.
with storm, like raining,
Okay,
it's like
okay.
signal number 3, like it's really strong.
Okay.
And we slept on that mountain at night. Then the next morning, actually we're fighting. Me and my friends were fighting because they want me to sleep on the tent. The next morning, the tree fell on the tent, and then
On the
uh,
same event or occasion.
yeah. And then at 4 a.m., the real mountaineers are planning to descend already.
Okay.
And us, we're like, oh, let's just have coffee first. Let's ask something.
Yeah, you were not planned or.
Yeah, we're not. No,
Yeah.
none of us. And we don't know what we're doing.
Okay.
And then we walk on like the side of the river like this. But since it was like storming all night, there's no pathway anymore.
No pop.
No pathway anymore. It's all underwater. So my tour guide is like, he's smaller than me.
Yeah.
And then he crossed the water.
Okay.
So the water was from his chest until just the hands.
Okay.
Because he's carrying the bags. So I said like, oh, if you can do it, I can do it as well. Let me try. And then I step on mud. Then I slid. Then they just saw me like, okay, the current was
The waves.
I was taken by the current already.
Okay.
Then they rescued me.
There was a lifeguard.
No, just the tour guide.
Okay. So it was like I was with a group from our mosque day when we went to clean the carpets of the mosque.
Uh-huh.
So then we reached there. It was not that much deep, but after spending some time, there was a boy who was like shouting that I'm drowning. So I was a bit near to him, like that much. I was closer. So I thought I should. It's not that much deep, so I should help him. So I went.
tried.
Huh?
You tried to help him,
I
then you
tried,
drowned.
then I drowned. And I was screaming as loud as I could, but
the
there
water-
were the crush machines were working, and everyone was on.
Where did it happen?
Harnoi.
Harnoi?
Yeah.
Ah.
They so I was shouting a lot, and like in the movies when you hear the gargling sound,
Ah.
that was the scene. It was the first time I actually experienced that it's a like practical thing they show, like real.
You want to
thing.
try again?
No, yeah. Same thing. So that was that made me when I and the other person came to rescue me. Then when I went home, I didn't tell my mom, but she eventually got known by someone else because everyone was from my neighborhood. So my mom was crying for days that how could you do that? मेरा ना ये सटके ना लाड़ा ये तो हो ही गया ये पकड़ ये किस तरह खाना पाऊँ ये सब तो ओके के नाम नाम है सब इस पे पानी उसे खुश करती हाँ देवा एयरपोर्ट ही लाई ने ये वाह इस तरह छोड़ से अच्छा इस पे टकड़े तरह रोटियां भी रहा ने
There.
ओहो ये तो आप लोगों ने थोड़ा से
ये वाली नहीं हुई
ना फेस किया
उमर पकड़ा जड़ी हो
बस
गई
वही
पकड़ा
केड़ी
No.
ये नाल ये देखो ये
ना
ये नहीं है दूसरी साइड तरफ
हाँ।
it's overcooked.
दूसरी साइड
It's burnt.
ना ये वाली सही ये नाल वाली पकड़ा ये निके निके ये वाली पकड़ा
ये बिस्मिल्लाह करे बिस्मिल्लाह
ठीक है
एक मिनट
Oh
एक
my
मिनट
God ना 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 ना
ये उठाओ अली
हमजा ये मैंने तुम्हें बताया था जिगर क्या किया तुमने
जल गई
सिखाओ तो रखो वो वाली जो कच्ची है तो दे दो अली
एक एक दिन
कच्ची वाली तो रखो
एक एक दिन जो
अनको है अनको फोन दिया ठीक है
कच्ची वाली इस तरफ करो ये पाव भी इस तरफ करो ये पाव
यहाँ है स्पीकर
सीखा which कहते हैं
चलो रोटियां मुझको दें 2-3
सीखा which कहते हैं
सीख को
ऐसा के रश होना है वाली जड़ी
ना ये एक रोटी दे आ जाओ बस ले ले आराम से ले दे
ठीक खान दे
ओह बिस्मिल्लाह एक
खैर में ले ले
खैर देखो भाई मैं कर
ये भी पहली ना ये
है क्या तो ना तो
हाँ ये है नहीं ना
वाओ तो
हाँ
जल्दी दो
you can
ठीक है ना तो भी नहीं ना तो
ना चाहते
बोल
ना चाहते तो जी मैं चाहते तो क्या मैं चलेंगे फिर आपके
बस eat
oh I'm fine I'm fine
ये चटनी क्या नाम है
adventure
क्योंकि वो चीनी की भी है
ऑयल दे दो ऑयल
mira ahí लगाओ जिगर चिकन जब सफेद हो ना उसका अपना ऑयल निकल रहा होता है उस ऑयल देना होता है
वो अपना निकाल रहा होता है क्या नहीं है मतलब ये
मतलब
कि उसका निकलने नहीं देना पहले ही लगा
नहीं अपना निकले ना फिर लगाओ जाने
जी बस
what time है
हाँ
शौकत नहीं बोला आतिफ
अंदर जी रोटी ले आदि
नहीं है रे
जितने पैसे हो सब चीज दसो
मतलब खेती में आपने वही भी किसी ने
उसका 10 छोड़ो ना इतने पैसे होते
जरूरी नहीं है
पहले
अतवारा कोई जा
मेरा लाइसेंस लगा
हाँ
हमारी एक रोटी इसकी
वरना 10
कहां से एक वक्त मैं भी जाता है ना देख रहा हूं देखो ना ये फार्मेसी है ना
कई लोगों की वजह से बरकत होती है
देख
कई
रहा
लोगों की
हूं
वजह से
सारा सारा बहुत सब थाईलैंड ट्रिप सब दुबई ट्रिप
तो
आज नहीं
तुम्हें कहीं लेकर नहीं गया
कुछ भी होगी बात सुनते ही गलत ना करा पर
तो लगता लेकिन कोई बाबा देता वही है ना मसला इसका बेसिक है कि वो दो प्राउड
ना नहीं गल भी है कि बस साइड से इतने नहीं
वो और ठीक है
अब बाद वाली किस्त में
वो भी सीधी है
मगर नमक ज्यादा है
ठीक है मैं सोच
ये भी रोटी रोटी दे ना
किस में डालूंगा
यार कौन रोटी मांग रहा है
साथ है तुम्हारे में
रोटी दे दे रोटी रोटी
डालूंगा किस में
ओहो ये तुझे चिका जल्दी ये भी इसको भी करेंगे बुल रन और नहीं
वो कागज दे दो
You want to eat? You look chicken. It's out of course. It's not grass. You can ask for a lamb.
Is it on?
मैं ऐसे करा
Is it on?
ये बनी
ये पे ये मैं बीच वाला मेरा है ले ले
ये लास्ट ईयर
अली भी रहती है
अच्छा ये अच्छा ये हमजा तुम ले
यार गड़ी की स्पीकर नहीं करना है
ये पहला वाला ले लो
पता नहीं यार
हम तुम ले
अच्छा अच्छा.
घर में
मैं उसमें मेरी जगह
No
नहीं
more.
देता नो नो यू हैव
Why?
No more, I'm full already.
No,
Just
you-
trying to finish it.
अच्छा इस पे रखो ना
ये एक मिनट समझ कर
So guys, we're done. Tapos na tayo dito magharutan. And tatawid na ulit tayo sa ilog. Yeah, we will now cross the river. Nga naman talaga ng mga tao. Oh. Yes. Need help?
no
How about your glasses? Don't forget that. Okay, okay. Yung glasses niya guys, naiiwan niya dun sa kabilang dulo. Okay. And dito namin guys, iniwan yung mga shoes namin. Ah.
हाँ तेरे अपनी आईडी नहीं
चली ऐसे दूर कर ठीक है चलिए ठीक है
नहीं लगा
The water is here. Oh my god. Water is here.
पानी लगा पानी डाल